Arĩmi a marigũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kisii mena gĩtũmi gĩa gũkena thutha wa thirikari ya Kisii kwambĩrĩria waki wa kĩganda kĩa marigũ mwena ũcio. Gavana wa Kisii James Ongwae augĩte atĩ kĩganda gĩkĩ gĩtanyĩtwo kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi wa marigũ marĩa makinyanĩire ikĩro o hamwe na arĩmi kũgĩa thoko ya gũtwara magetha mao.
Today it's a moment that we are discussing about adding value to this produce so that our farmers can actually reap maximum benefits from it, especially when we are dealing with a product that is highly perishable, and if you don't add value to it early enough, then it loses its value and probably goes to waste.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria waki uyu, Minister wa thirikari cia matura Eugene Wamalwa augite ati kiganda giki ni gikuhereria arimi turia nime turia tukoretwo tukimakungia wara na kugura marigu mao na thogora wa thi. Oho ni ongereire ati arimi aya ni mekugunikana mieke ya mawira undu uria gukinyaniria kioneki gia thirikari gia guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
Ni muradi wa 170 million ambao utawezesha wakulima wa matoke hapa waweze kuleta hapa matoke yao, na factory hii ilete ajira lakini pia ilete utajiri katika kaunti hii na nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Oho Wamalwa ni ahithuritie ati thirikari nene na mubango wa guthondeka kiharo gia Kisii niguo gikinyanirie ikiro cia kimabũrũri.
The IDEAS program, the objective is to promote local economic development, and there's two aspects to that. On the one hand, increasing economic activity, such as what we see here, increasing productivity, increasing the market for farmers, and also introduce value addition.
Wengine wanapanda ndizi kwa sababu wako na shamba kidogo, ndio wanategemea hiyo. Wakati hakuna soko, wanaona ndizi wanaleta hasara, ndio wanatoa hiyo ndizi wakaweka vitu vingine.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Bio wa Wambui.